Chinese e-scooter manufacturer NIU has recently introduced its latest innovation, the rugged KQi 300P all-terrain electric scooter. The company officially unveiled the two-wheeler last month and has now commenced pre-orders, catering to both the US and EU markets. To entice early adopters, NIU is offering various discounts and promotional incentives. The NIU KQi 300P is developed to tackle diverse terrains, making it an ideal choice for riders seeking versatility and performance. Boasting a dual suspension system, the e-scooter is equipped with a robust 450 watts motor. The machine's powertrain allows it to cover an impressive range of 30 miles on a single charge, providing users with a reliable and efficient mode of transportation. This all-terrain electric scooter is available in sleek black and white color options, catering to different preferences. The KQi 300P was introduced alongside the KQi 300X, further expanding NIU's lineup of innovative electric scooters. Underneath its stylish exterior, the KQi 300P houses a motor capable of reaching a peak power output of 900 watts. This results in a top speed of 32 km per hour, offering a thrilling riding experience for enthusiasts. The e-scooter features a convenient throttle to activate the power output, giving riders control over their acceleration. The key highlight of the KQi 300P is its 482 watt-hour battery, providing an impressive range of approximately 48 kilometers on a single charge. This not only ensures an extended riding experience, but also contributes to the scooter's eco-friendly appeal. The KQi 300P is equipped with a range of features aimed at enhancing the overall riding experience. Its LED dashboard provides riders with essential information at a glance, while the 10.5-inch tires contribute to a stable and comfortable ride. LED lights and turn signals add to the safety features, ensuring visibility in various riding conditions. The NIU KQi 300P scooter comes with an enticing pricing strategy in the US, making it an attractive option for early adopters. As of now, the scooter is available at a discounted price of $594, a significant 30% off its original cost. This exclusive offer is part of NIU's early bird promotion, aiming to reward the first 200 customers who place their orders before February 1. However, it's worth noting that this limited time and quantity-sensitive discount has already been fully subscribed in the EU. It's essential to act swiftly to take advantage of these early bird promotions, as they not only offer a substantial discount, but also come with a cap limit. In the case of the US market, the 30% discount is only applicable to the first 200 customers who place their orders before February 1. Similarly, the EU market has already reached the 200 customer limit for this exclusive deal. For those who have successfully secured their early bird orders, the NIU KQi 300P is set to ship to US customers starting in March. Meanwhile, customers in EU countries can expect the earliest arrivals by April 2024, enhancing the anticipation for the all-terrain electric scooter. Presently, the KQi 300P is exclusively available for direct purchase from NIU. However, there are indications that it may become available on popular e-commerce platforms such as Amazon in the near future, providing a broader accessibility for potential customers. With its blend of rugged appearance, powerful performance, and advanced features, the NIU KQi 300P stands poised to make a significant impact in the all-terrain electric scooter market. If you have any questions, I will expect them in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.